in the phone. So as he give Monday Paul as he try to delete some things, he ask me to use the phone that I'm using, that I should on my hotspot in order for him to connect because there's no SIM card in the phone. So I on the hotspot for him without knowing that that they are tracking the phone.
Subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ hàn notification button kẹ́lẹ̀ láǹfààní àti gbádùn wa síwájú sí i. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí.
My name is Eke Peter.
Your name is?
Eke Peter.
You are from which state?
Ebonyi State. Yes, ma'am.
How come? What you want to do in America?
Last year in 2023, so I was in Asaba before. So that the time I was in Asaba, I do cucumber work. I dey plant cucumber. So that time I get small issue. So and my sister my sister they marry one man from that the same our side, but it's not the same community. So as the marry, I come tell my sister say I get issue of 120,000. Say if she will help me with the money. So my sister say I should come their side. That is how I entered Ogun State. So as I come to their side, I do farm work for them. So as I reach there, I see say the work what did they do for them? They give money. I say okay, so make them find me land, make I do my own for there. So they come give me land. Come reach this year, December, as I go village, I carry my friend because that my in-law he still need another boy. So I carry my in-law Monday Paul. My friend Monday Paul, I carry am come. So we dey two boys for the same house. They do work together.
Monday Paul they do for you.
Na cocoa work, na farm work. So as we dey do the work dey go. So my in-law he give me phone wey I dey use. So the phone na Redmi phone. Ejiofonwale. Yes, he's my in-law. So he gave me the phone. As I dey use the phone, I use the phone from September last year. I started to use the phone. So e reach February this year as that my friend now we dey together. So Oda Chibeze come bought one phone he bought from one boy. So the guy he come their side, he carry the phone come meet my in-law, say make my in-law buy the phone. My in-law say he no buy phone again. So he carry meet Oda Chibeze.
What is the name of the boy that bring the phone that want to sell?
They say his name is Ifeanyi. Yes.
You know Ifeanyi before?
No, that first time that he bring the phone for Odachibeze is the first time that I set my eyes. No, Odachibeze is that.
That is other side.
Yes. So as he bring the phone, that's the time I saw the guy. They say his name is Ifeanyi, the guy I talk. So as he bring the phone, he buy am. That Odachibeze bought the phone. As he buy the phone, he give Monday Paul. Make Monday Paul help am delete some pictures and some unnecessary app in the phone. So as he give Monday Paul try to delete some things. He ask me to use the phone that I'm using, that I should on my hotspot in order for him to connect because there's no SIM card in the phone. So I on the hotspot for him without knowing that that they are tracking the phone. So as I on the hotspot, he delete some things and he do what the rest I don't know how we do it, but I just on hotspot for him. So as I off for him, as he do finish, I off my hotspot. So as I off my hotspot, we go home because that place where they do that farm work, network dey somehow there. So as we reach home, that guy that bought the phone after 3 days, I be 1 week that we connect the hotspot. So he heard that one of those boys that set the phone for him was arrested by DSS at Anambra State. So he quickly burned the phone. But I did not know. I'm not there the time we burned the phone. Or that Chibeze, the one that bought the phone now. So as he burned the phone, he called me and that my friend Monday Paul that he has already burned the phone. So as he tell us that he has already burn the phone, he carry us go that side. As I reach there, I see where he put fire, but we no reach, we no go look am. So as I sit there, we turn back, we come dey talk say he do mistake. So me I come dey think say how he go take burn the phone. So me and my friend come dey talk say it's like something is attached to the phone, and without knowing that the phone is already in track. So as he burn the phone, on 1st March is the day that I hotspotted the phone. So on June 1st, me and that my friend, we had an issue. So and he has more money, his money is in my account, and I have lost my alert SIM card. So he insisted that I should give him the money instantly. So I told him to establish that I want to go to bank and change alert SIM card so that I will be able to transfer the money for him. So I entered Agowe Alabasi University. So as I reached there, I changed my alert SIM card. So as I change the alert SIM card finish, time don go wey I go enter that our side. I came back.
Around what time are you talking about? Around what time is that?
There is 4 o'clock, but from there I go we reach our side is far. It's almost 4 hour journey.
From that side.
The place we were staying, Okewa Talaga Ijebugbo.
What do you call it?
Okewa Talaga Ijebugbo.
Okay.
So as I change the alert SIM card finish, I sleep at Agowe side that day. So the following day, as I was coming back to Okewa Talaga Ijebugbo, they called me, my sister called me that police came to that our side that we were doing the farm work and arrested my in-law with that my friend Mondepo. So as they told me that they arrested him, me, I don't know, I can't look, I say no, I didn't do anything. So my conscience is clear. So they say they are looking for me. So as they enter Ijebugbo town, they see me, they carry me. As he carry me enter Ijebugbo station, he start to ask me question about the phone that I use. I tell him that I'm not using two phones except the phone that he saw with me. They ask me the question they go. He come show me notification of the hotspot that I on for Monday 4 and the changing of password verification for that Facebook that he changed the password. So I can't tell him that I'm not the one that do the thing, that is my friend Mondepo. So as they arrested him, as we talk finish, he come tell me say okay, no problem. So he collect my phone from my hand. He say that they will carry us reach Eleweran so that the news will not go viral. So that is how I entered the case.
So now, what do you want the government to do for you now?
I asked for mercy because all those things, me, I did not know anything about the problem. They just implicate me into the case. If government should find the means to have mercy and forgive me, I
What
would
is your
like
name
it.
and what is your state?
My name is Ekepitama
From which state?
from Ebonyi
Or
State.
you live in Ogun State? You live in Ogun State, right?
Last year.
You came to Ogun State last year.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
work in Ogun State.
Yes, ma'am.
Give it to you before to. Is he your brother, right?
No, my in-law.
Your in-law? Okay.
Yes.
Give it to him.
ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ hàn notification button kẹ́ lè láǹfààní àti gbádùn wa síwájú sí i. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí.